My name is Kimberly Hand. I am the host of the Cinnamon Effect podcast. I have been using the BioCharger now for about 6 months. Prior to discovering the BioCharger, I had been on a pretty intense health journey for the past couple of years. I had been diagnosed with autoimmune disease, and I was having stress-induced flare-ups of Epstein-Barr virus, and kind of all kinds of things were going on with me. I was moderating everything through natural supplements to handle my symptoms. But the problem with that was I would get pill fatigue and kind of go off of my routine, and then I would feel really bad some days, like I could hardly get out of bed. Some days are really good, and then some days were really bad. So being inconsistent in my routine led me to feel out of balance some days. There are a lot of wellness devices out there, and I was a little bit familiar with frequency-based therapies, but the BioCharger is surprisingly user-friendly, and I am not a tech superstar at all, and the team walked me through it and showed me how to use it for myself and my whole family. The moment I realized the BioCharger was really working was when I had follow-up blood work with my doctor, and my thyroid numbers had dramatically improved. And she was wondering what I had done differently in the last couple of months. And really the only thing I had done was adding the BioCharger into my wellness routine. Life with the BioCharger has been amazing. I feel like I am more in tune with my body, and I really listen to the cues and listen to what my body's telling me. And any symptom or issue I'm having, there is a recipe, a BioCharger recipe to support me and my health. When my family and I use the BioCharger together, we sit together, we're talking. You're not supposed to use electronics when you use the BioCharger, so it really forces you to kind of slow down, take a break from your chaotic life. It's actually like the modern day campfire, and so you're sitting around it, you're getting these, this good energy, and you are connecting with each other. It's just had so many benefits. My dog actually comes up and will sit at our feet, and she loves the good energy too. So it's been an amazing experience for us. And so it's really changed our lives in so many amazing ways that I'm so grateful to be able to use it and be able to affect my family's health overall and just have more control over our health. Using the BioCharger has up-leveled my health journey and in turn helped me feel better overall in my life. Every component of my life feels like it has gotten better since I've been using the BioCharger, and for that I'm so grateful.